In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a directory website with WordPress and Listdom. Creating a directory website might sound complicated, but with WordPress and the right plugins, it's quite manageable. Whether you want to list local businesses, services, or any other type of directory, this guide will walk you through the Don't have a WordPress account yet. You'll need to create one. Otherwise, simply click on Log In to get started with your existing account details. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you'll manage posts, pages, and plugins. From the dashboard, we're going to focus on plugins, which are small apps that add features to your WordPress site. To find them, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. On the Plugins page, you'll see a variety of plugins listed. Our focus today is finding and installing a specific plugin called Listdom, instrumental in building a directory. Next, click on Add Plugin at the top of the page. This will allow you to search for new plugins that aren't already installed on your site. In the search bar, type Listdom. This search will return results that match your query, with Listdom typically being one of the top items in the list. Listdom is a powerful and versatile directory plugin designed to help you create and manage directory listings easily. Once you see Listdom in the search results, go ahead and click on Install. After the plugin is installed, the button will update to say Activate. Press this to activate Listdom on your website. Activation is necessary for the plugin to start working, allowing you to take advantage of its features. With Listdom installed and activated, you're now ready to start building your directory. You can customize category settings, add listings, and configure the plugin according to your needs. Listdom offers a variety of features like Google Maps integration, various listing layouts, and advanced search functionalities, making it apt for creating a comprehensive directory. In conclusion, you've taken the essential steps to set up a directory website using WordPress and Listdom. This combination offers a simple yet effective way to display listings for users in a structured and visually appealing manner. Don't forget to explore other features and settings Listdom provides to make your directory truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy building with your new directory website.